The shades are out.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, it's a sunny day. Yeah, today's weather is really beautiful. It's not that cold, but just a little bit cold. You guys can see the shades are out. Yeah, we are feeling the summer vibes already. So guys, yeah, today is Monday. Yeah, Monday 7th of January. So guys, yeah, Obi and I are here. We are going on a house hunting. Yeah, so we are going to check an apartment to see if it's what we like or what we don't like. So I don't really know if they are going to allow me film there though, but in case they allow me film, I'm going to show you guys around a little bit. But in case they don't, we move. So I'll be saying hello to the vlog.
Hello guys.
You know, looking for what you did great. So Abby did not go to work today because of this outing though. So just want to go and see, because this our place is too small for us now. So like we are trying to get a bigger apartment. So let's go guys. Let's see if it's something that we like or not. In case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. Please guys, do wait to subscribe in case you like this video at the end. So guys, see you later. Let's go. Why I be like all those fine Arab girls with this my type?
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. I don't wanna see us going on and off again. Baby, all I really want is only on from now. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Ah, ah,
guys, we are done. We are back from the house, but I don't think we'll be taking the house because the house is it's just like the house we are in now. Like all the rooms are very little. They are very little, and it's 3 rooms though compared to the one that we are in. The one that we are in is 2 rooms. Meanwhile, this one is 3 rooms. So that's just the advantage, but the rooms, they are still small. There are no storage areas. Yeah, it's just one little storage room that they have close to the kitchen. And the reason why we'll not be taking it, the second reason is because it's kind of on the high side. Yeah, is a lot more expensive than the house we are in right now. So because of that, I don't think we'll be taking this out. So we are going to be waiting for another preposition. Yeah. Guys, we are lost in IKEA. This is the largest IKEA that I've ever seen. Came here to look for buffet for our kitchen. Yeah, we found one though, but we're going to get it next time. This place is huge. Now that side now, no papers. Guys, we are lost. We can't even find our way out. This place is huge.